Welcome to Bikesphere, the channel where we bring you the latest, most thrilling, and most in-depth motorcycle stories from around the world. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic names in motorcycling history, a machine that has been the symbol of raw speed, aerodynamic mastery, and relentless engineering for over 2 decades. This is the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa GXS 1300R, a superbike that doesn't just evolve, but completely redefines the legend. The legacy of the Hayabusa. The Hayabusa name has always carried an air of dominance in the sport bike world. Since its first appearance in 1999, it shattered speed records and became the poster bike for performance enthusiasts. Over the years, Suzuki refined the formula without losing its soul, a powerful, long-distance friendly sport machine that could take on a racetrack as easily as it could devour highway miles. Now, in 2026, the Hayabusa GXS 1300R arrives as a futuristic evolution, bringing advanced technology and more refined performance than ever before. Design. The 2026 Hayabusa GXS 1300R is a visual masterpiece, blending modern aerodynamic principles with the unmistakable Hayabusa silhouette. The front end features sharper, slimmer LED headlamps integrated into a sleeker nose cone, enhancing airflow efficiency. Winglets, subtly molded into the fairing, provide downforce at high speeds without adding drag. The tail section is shorter and more sculpted, giving the bike a more compact, aggressive stance. Every curve and contour has been tested in the wind tunnel, ensuring stability at the extreme speeds the Hayabusa is built for. Engine. At the core of the 2026 model is the newly enhanced 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 power plant, now tuned to deliver 215 horsepower and 158 Nm of torque. Suzuki's engineers have optimized combustion, improved intake efficiency, and reduced internal friction for smoother power delivery. The addition of lightweight titanium components and a revised exhaust system not only shaves weight but also produces a deeper, more menacing exhaust note. With an electronically limited top speed of 299 km/h, the GXS 1300R still upholds the tradition of being one of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. Electronics. The Hayabusa GXS 1300R is more intelligent than any of its predecessors. It features Suzuki's Advanced Rider System 2.0, which includes cornering ABS, traction control with 10 levels of adjustment, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking management. The new IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit, works in real time, adjusting these systems to match rider input and road conditions. There's also a customizable power delivery mode that allows riders to fine-tune throttle response, making the bike equally at home on twisty back roads or long open straights. Chassis and handling. The frame is an upgraded twin-spar aluminum design, lighter yet stronger than before, paired with fully adjustable Showa BFF front forks and a Showa BFR C-Light rear shock. The geometry has been revised for more precise steering without sacrificing high-speed stability. Brembo-style brakes up front and a single disc at the rear deliver exceptional stopping power, even from extreme speeds. The combination of chassis balance, suspension tuning, and advanced aerodynamics makes the GXS 1300R an incredibly confident machine to ride. Technology. The 2026 Hayabusa comes with a full-color TFT display that integrates navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, ride statistics, and a performance telemetry system. The dash also displays real-time aerodynamic data, letting riders see how winglet downforce changes with speed. Suzuki has added an adaptive cruise control system for effortless touring, and the seat has been redesigned with better padding and a slightly lower height to improve comfort for longer rides. Even with all its race-inspired performance, this is a bike you can comfortably ride across an entire country. Performance on the road. Out on the road, the GXS 1300R is a force of nature. Throttle response is immediate and intoxicating, delivering a rush of acceleration that pins you to the seat. The stability at triple-digit speeds is unmatched, and the handling inspires confidence whether you're leaning through sweeping curves or carving up a technical mountain pass. The combination of raw power, sophisticated electronics, and aerodynamic mastery makes every ride an event, not just transportation. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Despite its immense power, the updated engine is more fuel efficient thanks to refined ECU mapping and variable valve timing. Riders can expect around 16 km per litre under mixed riding conditions, which is impressive for a bike with such performance potential. Combined with a 20-litre fuel tank, the Hayabusa offers a respectable touring range without constant refueling stops. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa GXS 1300R is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It proves that Suzuki understands the balance between performance, technology, and rider enjoyment. The GXS 1300R honors the Hayabusa heritage while boldly stepping into the future with innovations that keep it ahead of the competition. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a touring rider, or simply someone who appreciates engineering excellence, this machine delivers on every level. If you want, I can also create a matching SEO-optimized YouTube title, description, and hashtags for this script so it's ready to post. Would you like me to do that?